Hello, this is your professor, and today we're going to learn how to use Google Slides for your presentation on how to solve three-step algebra equations. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is type in Google Slides on the search bar, okay? From here, you're going to click on the first tab right here where it says Google Slides Free Online Presentations for Personal Use, and then you're going to go to your Google Slides, okay? So from here, you're going to click on the new blank canvas to start your presentation. From here, it'll give you your first blank slide. On slide 1, I just want you to title it and put your name and your partner's name, like this. Now you can do the title however you see fit. If you can get creative with it, by all means do it. And then you're going to put your name and your partner's name. Okay? Slide 1, simple, easy, title, presenter's name. Okay? You want to go to the plus sign on the top left, and then it'll let you create a new slide. Right here, this will be your step 1. And you can mess around with this by adding, not by adding, but centering it and making it a little bigger and maybe making it bold. That way when you click present, it looks better. And then you're going to make up an equation. So this is my example. Okay, and you're just going to type in the steps because remember, you're going to present this later on. Okay, so this is just a quick example of what I should see in each slide. So you have to tell your audience the steps you're taking. So step 1. Step 1, combine like terms. This means to add both the two x's. Okay, so yeah, you're going to show the next step. So you're going to add both the two x's. You get 4x plus 2 is equal to 14, right? And from here, I'm going to copy because I'm going to add a new slide by clicking on the plus sign, and I'm going to do step 2. Step 2, and I'll do the same thing I did in step 1. I'm going to center it, make it a little bigger, make it bold, and then I'm going to paste what I copied and pasted earlier, and I'm going to explain the next step. Be like step 2. What do we do with step 2? You want to get 4x by itself. So how do we get 4x by itself? We subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. From here, you're going to write down the next part of the equation. So you're going to show the audience that you're going to subtract 2, right? Oops, not s, but 2. And then right here, you're going to put down what the equation should look like after you do this step. So you have 4x is equal to, what is 14 minus 2? 12, okay? And I'm just going to copy and paste this so I can save a little bit of time. And I'm going to click the plus sign, and then step 3. And again, I will highlight this and I will center it. And I will increase the font size and make it a little bold. And then I'm going to copy and paste the remaining equation. And then step 3, what is step 3? We want to get the x by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by 4. Okay, and then you're going to show what that looks like. And then you're going to put your final solution right here. Final answer, what is 12 divided by 4? Well, that's going to be x is equal to 3. And that is what I want to see for your how to create a Google slide. Okay, so that's one example. Remember, each presenter needs at least 2 examples with the correct steps, and I'm not looking for anything crazy. If you keep it like this is fine, but you can use the themes that are located to the right. As you can see, if you click on one of them, it'll change it, but just keep in mind that you want to pick a theme where we can read it, and you want to change the font if it If it's too small when you change the theme, you can always make it bigger, right? And you can always test it out by clicking on present to see what it looks like. As you can see, it looks pretty nice from there. And that's it. So hopefully this video helps, and if you have any more questions, please let me know. Thank you.